Downsize me.
More press-ups. Yeah, I'm really pleased about my progress because I was not a person to do exercise.
But still embarrassed to pound the pavements in public.
But self-conscious, so I'll just have to wait for it to get a bit darker.
Her next training session may leave her trembling in her trainers.
I'm just dreading Liam. She told me we might go to a park, and I'm dreading a park. Gee, one of it's got hills.
Hey, you, how you doing?
Oh, 100%.
Because today I really want to see how you've progressed. So I'm going to start with an exercise over here in the park, all right?
Yep.
Come on, let's go.
Caption, train me.
So there's a palm tree just perfectly there and another one down the bottom.
Yep.
All right, we're going to do some interval training. You're going to walk down to the first one, come backwards. Back up to the top. The second one, you're going to turn around and power walk up. And the third one, you're actually going to jog.
Jog?
Gently
Jog.
back up to the top, all right? The approach I took with Carolyn was to show her she could actually do the stuff she's been putting off. And come backwards.
Backwards?
Nice.
I've never walked backwards in my life.
Good, look at those calves working. Excellent. Down to the next one for me.
Carolyn's fitness is really great. It's improved immensely.
Oh, look at you. Woo!
But I really think she could be 20–30% further ahead.
Good. Right, now you ready for the last one, the big one?
It was a bit of a challenge of jogging because I don't think I've ran for the last 30 years.
Just jog, jog, jog. Come on. Nice work. Woo! You are jogging. Come on, let's go.
But I really pushed myself and I got through it.
Woo! Nice work. Seriously, check this out. You just ran up that hill. So you can see how much you can do, but there's more, and you know that. Come on, let's go.
Carolyn is streets ahead of where she needs to be mentally, and I think today has just given it more of a push because she sees how much she can do.
Oh, fancy that. Look at this step.
How did you find a step in the park? The steps has always been my worst enemy at the gym.
Beautiful. How's that feel?
Wonderful. I think I only hated them because my tummy was in the road and my knee was aching, but now I'm finding it much easier.
And down. Well done. That is brilliant. I am so inspired and so impressed from what I've seen today. You've got another 10 to do today, and I'm going to see you soon.
Okay.
Keep it up.
Thanks, Leanne. Oh,
But with 1 month to go,
oh my God.
is it all too much for this mum of 3?
My body's just so aching. Must have been my big run up the hill.
Even a hobble to the kitchen for some comfort,
It's like as if I've been run over from a bus.
and a leafy lunch brings little relief.
My least favourite meals are the salads. I force myself. I think it's just the chewing of those leaves, but I'll get there.
So with her taste buds rebelling,
Makes me feel sick.
Damien has come to check on her food choices and culinary flair at the week 4 weigh-in.
Hey, Carolyn, I got a surprise for you.
Come on in, what you got for me?
Caption, surprise me.
Carolyn, how you going?
Good, thanks, Damien.
Well, today we've got a challenge for you, and you're going to have to cook up this beautiful meal here. It's my easy cheesy meat moussaka. Have you done that one yet?
No.
Oh, it's going to be tough. You can choose any of these ingredients. You've got 40 minutes to do it. If you do a great job, and I reckon it tastes good, then I'm going to give you a little prize. Okay? So I'm going to start the stopwatch now. There's your veggies, everything, all your ingredients. Off you go. I planted a few traps for Carolyn today, see whether or not she'd trip up. You're leaving the jet planes behind.
Yeah, no, I don't want jet planes.
The jet planes was a bit of an easy one, and that would have been really disastrous for her blood sugar levels. But one thing I thought she might have tripped up on was the potato. Left your potato behind.
No, I don't eat potato.
Why is that?
Instructions from you.
So the reason why I wouldn't want you to have a potato is because of the starch in it, and type 2 diabetes reacts really poorly to starchy carbs.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
The recipe I had to cook was a bit of a shock. I didn't even know how to start it, actually.
You got garlic in there as your herb?
Yep.
Going to bring out any other flavours?
Don't know, might be a bit of cinnamon.
Oh, yeah. Cinnamon can actually increase your metabolic rate. You know, if you're trying to burn more body fat, that could be a good thing.
To burn some more body fat, yeah.
I think Carolyn did a great job today with the challenge, though she did use oil in the pan and she didn't need to do that. One of the things that you can do with a non-stick pan is use no oil, because of course there's going to be some fat in the meat.
Could have told me if I poured it in.
You poured it in there.
It was a bit of a challenge cooking under the time pressure.
You've got around about 3 minutes to go in terms of preparation to give me 30 minutes of cooking.
You might like it a bit raw. But I knew I could do it, and I gave it my best shot.
You're doing a good job. Thin slices, that's what you want. Too much animal saturated fat's pretty bad. It's going to be going in and around your heart, and that's the worst one.
No more of that, thanks.
Okay, so it's going where now?
In the oven, 20 minutes.
20 minutes, all right. Well, you haven't even got 20 minutes to go. You've got 17 minutes.
Oh, well,
left.
17.
That's all you've got.
It'll be cooked for you, I promise you.
40 minutes, Carolyn. Oh, look at that. All right, let's serve it up. I didn't think it was going to hold together, but it looks fantastic.
And a bit of olive oil should be right on the top of there.
That looks amazing. Let's compare it. That's not bad at all. You've pulled that off magnificently. Now I've got to eat it.
Oh, I hope you enjoy it.
Here we go.
He eats a large forkful and gestures his approval with his raised hand, making a delicious air kiss.
That's good. The only thing you did wrong was put in too much oil. Other than that, everything else is fantastic. So there's your prize.
Oh, thank
Have a look at that.
Congratulations, you've won a 6-month gym membership. Oh, that's great. Mwah.
How great is that?
Thank you, Damien.
That's beautiful. Hey, now it's week 4. We're going to weigh you. Let's go through and do that.
Caption, weigh me.
This is the moment we've been waiting for, isn't it, Carolyn?
I think so.
Oh.
Hope so.
Exciting. Now, 4 weeks ago, you weighed 185.5 kilos, Carolyn, and 2 weeks after that, you'd lost 8.2 kilos. Got yourself down to 177.3.
She steps onto the scales.
Carolyn, today you weigh 175.2 kilograms.
Oh, wonderful.
That's great. That's another 2.1 kilos off. So you've now lost 10.3 kilos.
Oh, man,
in
that's
just
wonderful.
4 weeks. So we'll catch up with you at the week 6 point.
Okay,
All
then.
right, congratulations. Happy with you. See ya.
See ya. This used to be my favourite section, but not anymore.
For 5 weeks, super morbidly obese Carolyn has been downsizing to avoid a death sentence.
I got plenty muscles now.
And adjusting to the likes of antioxidant-packed pumpkin soup
Very nice.
will hopefully drive away type 2 diabetes.
Here's your dinner, sis. Oh, no, thank you. You can have your ball up.
And although her family still needs convincing,
Well, that's good for you. Try one.
I'll just have one.
Carolyn's reducing more than her risk of disease.
Oh, my God. I can fit nearly another person in here.
But still too big to travel by air, Leanne has just the ticket to make this mum's dreams take flight.
How you doing?
Good, Leanne.
Now, I'm really keen to get the energy up, intensity. You've still got your goal of getting on a plane, getting down the aisle, fitting in the seat, all right?
Yes.
And I want to make sure you get it. So I'm going to do an obstacle course with you today. Let's go,
Yeah.
I'll show you.
Caption, train me.
The first exercise I chose was a side step with a twist. Twist your feet round, arms out. Focus on working the core area, and it really helps reduce blood sugar levels. You imagine going down the aisle of a plane. How do you have to move? Right, you have to get between people and the lazing over the seats. Keep going.
I struggled a bit because the ground wasn't flat, and so it's a bit hard to try to go side to side.
There's no point going anywhere if you can't go and sightsee everywhere, is there?
True.
Here, jog back.
It was tougher than I expected.
Come on. That's it. That's 2. We got 2 to go.
Didn't mind 2 times up and down, but 4, oh my God.
Keep going, good. All right, next exercise, straight into it. Second exercise I chose for Carolyn was large step-ups with squats. You imagine stepping up, sometimes getting onto planes, going different places. You've got to go up these big steps, and you don't want to miss out because you can't do it. The squats really focus on building the muscle in the leg and the core and getting up and down out of seats. The muscles take the pressure off your joints, all right? Very important to make them work. Keep going.
I love doing squats actually now. I can do squats any time of the day now.
Last exercise, we're going up and down these stairs 4 times. You ready? Come on. We're still timing you. Let's go.
The steps, well, I've never ran up and down steps in my life because I'm usually a person that goes down on my side.
You want to be able to get around. A lot of places has steps. Go, go, go. Come on, let's pick up the pace. I saw Carolyn lag a little bit. She wants to travel. She wants to get on that plane. Then she needs to move easily to be able to do it. And time. Beautiful. How are you feeling?
Tired.
All right. 7 minutes 39. That is fantastic. The reason I did this timed fitness challenge is in 3 weeks, I want you to be able to do it in 5 minutes. All right?
Yep,
Do you think you need a little bit of incentive?
could do.
could do, because I have 2 tickets, all expenses paid, to the Gold Coast.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
But you have to do this challenge in under 5 minutes, and these little babies are yours. Hold them. What do you think?
Oh, I can't believe it.
These are mine for the time being. You've got some practice to do.
Yep.
Keep it up. You can do it.
For the next 3 weeks, I'm going to be coming here every day to achieve my goal, and I'm going to do it.
Stepping up the exercise even more,
We're going for a lovely walk today.
Okay.
Carolyn's determined that dream holiday is hers.
Oh, I want to go overseas and do my shopping now.
But being so focused on the fitness, could she be led into temptation by the food? It's week 6 and time to find out.
Carolyn, how are you doing?
Hey guys, come on in.
Excellent, thank you.
Caption, Weigh Me.
Carolyn, how's it all going?
Good so far, I hope.
I'm excited to see what you weigh today, you?
I'm excited.
Because you remember when you started, you were 185.5 kilos.
I can't forget it.
At week 4, 175.2 kilos.
Yep.
What are we today?
She steps onto the scales.
Today you're weighing 172.2 kilos. So that's another 3 kilos.
Well done.
Guys,
13.3 kilos you've lost now. How good is that?
Oh, that's excellent.
Nice work.
Do you feel like you know how to do everything now?
I reckon I can be on my own.
Ah, interesting.
Oh, what about food? Not tempted at all?
Not tempted at all.
Do you remember things like custard squares? Do you remember things like bread,
You can have those.
mince pies? Would you like to smell some?
Caption, Tempt Me.
Dun, dun,
How
dun.
about these guys? Each one of these is about 150 calories.
I ain't going to eat
What
one
do you
of
reckon?
those.
Smell that.
Just have a little hold smell.
Smell that.
Yeah,
Go
oh,
on,
it
you can
stinks.
hold it.
The exercise consequence, it's 17 minutes of continuous squats.
Hell no, I don't want to do no, it's not 17. You can have it for your lunch.
How about one of these beautiful custard squares? That's 350 to 400 calories.
Nah.
That's a 70-minute walk.
Oh, hell no.
All right,
Take
on
it.
top of your exercise.
What if I was to give you a golden ticket? In this golden ticket is a $500 gift. Now, if you choose to have these and do the exercise consequence, then I'm going to give you this ticket.
No, I'm not going to eat those. Hell no.
What if you just had one, had a mince pie?
Nah, you can take your prize with you too.
You can have a mince pie and a golden ticket.
No, I don't want a mince pie.
No?
No.
Okay. Well, congratulations.
Nice work.
Congratulations. You've actually passed our challenge. You decided to choose health over immediate gratification. All the hard work you've done is paying off. Have a look at what the gift was.
You must raise and donate $500 to Diabetes New Zealand by doing a sponsored walkathon. Oh, choice.
Now, we didn't tell you who the gift was for. Had you gone back to that sort of lifestyle, you would have required the help of these people in the future. So there's nothing wrong with going to raise money. In fact,
No.
if you still want to do a walkathon for them, you can do that.
Yeah, I can
But
do that.
we would have held you accountable to make sure you did that because you were going to go back to that lifestyle. I'm pretty confident that she's not now.
I am so wrapped here, baby. Your decisions today made me so proud.
Oh, thank you.
But for the next 2 weeks, you are going it alone. Damien and I are out of here. Have you learnt enough?
I think I've learnt enough.
Carol, I'm going to leave a whole bunch of food here for you for the next 2 weeks. At the 8-week point, I'll come back and get it all from you. All of it.
Yeah.
Okay? In the past, Carolyn's attempted many weight loss endeavours, but she's failed because she's fallen back into temptation.
More pie.
Remember all the trans fatty acids you used to eat? So in the next 2 weeks, I'm hoping she can pull through.
Go hard for the next 2 weeks. No diddling around, all right?
Oh, no, I'll be fine, thanks.
Good.
See you, mate.
See ya. I'll put these in a safe place for 2 weeks.
Coming up,
Oh, ow.
could one wrong foot forward cost Carolyn her flight to the Gold Coast?
It's really hard to get up here.
And will there be a heavy price to pay at the final weigh-in?
Today you'll weigh
Downsize Me.